about brain cancer or brain tumors. Primary brain tumors begin in the brain and stay in the brain. They occur in people of all ages. Metastatic tumors are more common in adults, and they're tumors that started in other parts of the bodies and moved to the brain. Suggested risk of brain tumors include radiation, HIV infections, and environmental toxins. These factors are not confirmed. No one knows for sure the cause of brain tumors. Most suggest that it is genetic. The cause is unknown, and preventative measures are also unknown. So sadly, there's no way to prevent it.
Now, I'm sure you've all heard of what cancer is in general, but what is it really? Cancer is a disease caused by a malfunction in the cell's growth and division. When a cell undergoes its processes of mitosis, it loses control and abnormal cells divide, and it can invade other healthy tissue. Untreated, they are a travesty that can cause serious illness and death. Now, mitosis is a process in which your cells go through the stages of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase to divide and repair damaged tissues and grow. When, as mentioned, this process malfunctions, the cells become cancerous, causing breast, lung, skin, and hundreds of other cancers. Now, what brain cancer is a disease of the brain in which cancer cells or malignant cancer cells arise in brain tissue. Cancer cells grow to form a mass of cancer tissue, a tumor, that interferes with functions in the brain such as muscle control, sensation, memory, and other normal body functions. Tumors composed of cancer cells are called malignant tumors, and those composed of mainly non-cancerous cells are called benign tumors. Not all brain tumors are alike, even if they arise from the same type of brain tissue. Tumors are also assigned a grade depending on how the cells in the tumor appear microscopically. These grades go from 1 to 4, each going more severe. The most common primary brain tumors are usually named for their brain tissue type from which they originally developed. These are gliomas, meningiomas, pituitary adenomas, vestibular schwannomas, and primitive neuroectodermal tumors. In most people with primary brain tumors, the cause of the tumor is not clear, and doctors have identified some factors that may increase your risk of the brain tumor, including your age, as the risk for the brain tumor increases as you age, and the likelihood of getting one is more common in older adults. However, a brain tumor can occur at any age, and certain types almost occur exclusively in children. Exposure to radiation. People who have been exposed to types of radiation called ionizing radiation have increased risk. And also, the family history of brain tumors. If in your family people have a history of brain tumors or a history of genetic syndromes, that may also increase your risk. Now, there's no known way to prevent brain tumors. However, if you start to experience symptoms such as a new onset of change in patterns of headaches that gradually become more frequent and more severe, unexplained nausea, vision problems, gradual loss of sensation in limbs, difficulty with balance, speech difficulties, confusion in everyday matters, personality or behavior changes, seizures, and hearing problems, please make an appointment with your doctor immediately, as early diagnosis of brain cancer can increase your survival.
Leading causes of cancer-related deaths in children under the age of 20. 70,000 new cases arise every year. 4,600 of those are children. 700,000 people in the U.S. are living with brain tumors every day, and 14,000 of those people will lose the fight.
The death of a loved one is not an easy thing to deal with for anyone. Imagine your father, mother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, anyone being diagnosed with this deadly disease. But there's a way you can help. By donating to the American Brain Tumor Association, you're helping find a cure to this horrible disease that's taken millions of lives.
Even a small donation can help towards our cause. Together, we can make a difference.